Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to simply make an easy white chocolate panna cotta. You need 180 grams of white chocolate, 600 mils of thickened cream, 2 teaspoons of gelatin and vanilla paste or a vanilla pod split with seeds scraped. I've already put my white chocolate and my sugar and my cream in the pan. We will heat this in over a medium heat until the chocolate melts and the mixture is smooth. Once your mixture is cream and chocolate has melted, you want to boil up your water, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Sprinkle your gelatine over it. Stir until it's melted and add it to your chocolate cream mixture. Okay, we've added our gelatin to the mixture, and now the last thing to do is to 6 half-cup molds, fill them up with the mixture, and then put in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight, and then just bring them out when you're ready to serve. But I'll show you how to do that later. Here we go, folks. We'll pop those in the fridge. Back in the kitchen 4 hours later, or the next day after keeping them in the fridge overnight, ready to dip your panna cottas in some warm water just to loosen it up. Wait for about 20-30 seconds. In the meantime, I've got some berries to decorate and some raspberry coolers to top up over it, to serve it with. There we go. Perfect. And there we go, there's our lovely panna cotta, ready to serve. It should be really lovely, smooth textured. Taste that white chocolate, buttery textured, and delicious. White chocolate panna cotta. Yummo!